The Monroe Doctrine was a political policy established by James Monroe in 1823. In other words, it told Europe that the days of colonization or any form of monarchy in the Americas was over, and that Europe should stay away from all American affairs. This applied to all European nations. James Monroe basically says that the New World and the Old World are two completely different worlds and that they should stay away from each other. We can see the depiction of this through the picture of the river between the two groups of men. Uncle Sam is also present in this political cartoon, and he represents the United States, as we all know. The sign right next to Uncle Sam says, "No trespass," and it means exactly what it says. We note that the Monroe Doctrine was merely a message to European nations to stay out. The sign depicts just that. The men on the other side of the river, these men, have some names attached to a piece of their attire. This one says Portugal, Spain, and France. These are the nations that were told to stay away from American territory. There are also three men behind Uncle Sam, and these men represent the places which the United States had to protect. These are North, Central, and Latin or South America. In 1904, Roosevelt explained that the United States would act as an international police power, which enabled the United States to use force to protect the interests in Latin America. We know that the United States had to protect Latin America, which is why Uncle Sam is holding a weapon, shielding Latin America from its enemies. And the enemies look appalled, of course, and this is their reaction to the Monroe Doctrine. The sign at the bottom says, "Keep off, the Monroe Doctrine must be respected." This is a general statement that describes what James Monroe told the European nations, and it serves as a summary of the Monroe Doctrine as a whole.